Alright, so I'm getting short right here. It had bounced out. It bounced up, came back into the range between the 35s. Well, because it's been really been from the 15s to the 35s. I'm short too. I might scale back one, but
Hold us still.
yeah. And then we had yesterday's high around right here. Yesterday's high was around 133 right here. So this will be a little short that I'm putting on. I have not found anything today. This would be the closest of something I'd want to look at.
We got some comments here. Scott Embry hit my daily loss limit on my XFA account a week ago. Now I'm back to positive cash in the account. It's good. All right. Never say die, never give up. Another comment here was why we don't trade the Dow. Lindar is.
So funny thing about this trade, when everyone is thinking that we're gonna go down from here, I'm actually anticipating price to come back up more to take out people trying to get short now and then go short because I'm actually bearish for the day.
But I was trading Russell and the Dow just for fun. You know, but if that's a market that you're going to friend up with and buddy up with, and it works for you. The question earlier was, you know, who trades silver? You know, you can. If you have any questions about what products you can trade here at Top Step, you go to topstep.com and just type in products. I'm trying to think of what that would be, and I think products will work. If you type in products, it's going to let you know what you can trade here. But right now on Top Step X, if you got it, it's semi-limited, but we've got all the bigger markets. We got crude oil, Dow, Nasdaq, gold, micro Nasdaq, micro S&P. We got the big old Nasdaq, Russell 2000, and the S&P 500.
Who said it? Wait till the VWAP. VWAP's here, right now. The initial reason why I wanted to get in that with a one lot is in the shoulder, edge of the shoulder. The volume nodes down here, low volume nodes. Ooh, order filled. Somebody got filled. Yes. So then the VWAP's up here. Somebody's like, well, why? You can see my screen on the 30-minute chart right here where my crosshairs are. VWAP right here at 37. I got short around 29s and 30s, but I took one off, so I only have one on. But that's kind of it. I don't know. It's a soft short. If you want to fade it, fade it. Kobe. What are you guys seeing? I want to get guys in the chat. What are you guys seeing? We let's do a poll. Like an hour from now. What is it right now? When fast markets ends in an hour, are you? Is the market going to be higher or lower than? Let's give a line in the sand. Than the 17,130s. How about that? 17,130s, which would be 43.36 evens in the S&P. 48.36 evens, higher or lower in the S&P in 1 hour than where we are right now, pretty much. So who's ever doing the polls? I think it's Robert Cooney. Great work so far. Whatever market to market right now, and then say we're going to be higher or lower than this price an hour from now.
You know, I think there's a question out here, which is a very good question. I just don't have it handy, but maybe somebody in the back here does have a link we can share. Maz is asking.
So if you asked me a couple of years ago what I see on the chart, what I see is a bear flag that had formed, and when it came back up for people to get the retest to actually play it down more, price decided, no, I'm gonna deliver it to the upside. It was already priced in because I can see the price signatures now, in which I wasn't looking for years ago when I was playing those chart patterns. So I actually did take that long way lower than where we're at right now. But since I was still in the trade, I just switched to this account. And what I did was play a breakout, or what looks to be a breakout. However, the move already started way lower. And I'm going to leave the TikTok link so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, just I guess continue to watch and see what happens.
Or lower than it is right now.
Wow, Robert Cooney, you're doing a hell of a job on these polls. These are very concise and clear. Eddie, what do you think?
You know what? I'm going to go higher.
I know.
I'm going higher.
Right. If yesterday was a trend day, a range-bound day, not a trend day, range-bound day, then odds are setting up that this one, finding any trend days, unless it's just going to keep melting up, which has been doing for, oh God.
Looks like it still got room to blow up. Oh, there we go. That's what I was looking for.
Not really the whole year, since October. This October 20, we were talking about 26 is when the low is in. And then just melt up.
Yeah,
Like no other.
I see that.
Santa Claus keep.
There we go. So the question is, gold being rejected at Hoag's upper end weekly kickoff level.
Getting ready to get out here though.
Old lady, 2089. It seems like it's having a little hard time getting above that. I see what you're talking about. Right now we're 2089.
It is having trouble.
So we're right in between the
It's having
volume point of control.
It's having trouble blasting off to the speed of light. That's what you're talking
still
about.
A little ways to go, but I think if
it ain't having trouble. I just want to get out to
there's a
secure
lot
my
of play up there, and then the sellers just came in and slammed it down.
But when I'm playing moves like this isn't necessarily my trading model, but what it is like I'm just reading the tape, and I have a very high conviction of what it's doing and what it's about to do, and this is how I pretty much, I guess this is my version of scalping. Like when I know the market is gonna come down, but it has to go up one last time to just take out a little bit more buy stops, I pretty much use those moments as my time to scalp, and I'll scalp aggressively. So if I usually trade with one contract, I may put 2 contracts on, or if I'm on using 2 accounts or something, and 4 contracts or whatever. But yeah, this is pretty much the move that I was that I had laid out before price got here, and this is that push up that I was waiting for the entire time. Now after it pushes up, of course, I would be looking for my short setup because everyone, including whoever got short earlier in the video, they're gonna want to do that again, but they got taken out. So now they're gonna pretty much think that the market is gonna continue moving higher, and that's gonna give the market pretty much a better time to just say, nope, we're not going up higher anymore, we're coming down. And I know I'm talking about the market as if it's a living being or something, but you guys should know, if you're new here, we study price action from an algorithmic standpoint. So we believe there's an algo that controls the market, and that's what we subscribe to. And yeah, so this is really just like price delivery. So as soon as that guy went short, I'm thinking price is going to deliver higher, and it's going to deliver higher so that it could go lower. And I believe that's what it did after this. But yeah, this was just a small recording just to show you guys what it looks like when somebody's trading against someone else. Now, I'm not actually taking that dude's money or anything like that, and there's nothing wrong with doing this. It's just when you have your own conviction, your own setup, your own model behind why you're doing what you're doing, and then you use other people's sentiment to gauge what you're doing and why you're doing it, it just definitely makes a difference. And I found that to be helpful sometimes in times that I guess I do my version of scalping. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See y'all on the next one.